Hello everyone, welcome back on the Outdoor Family. Today I would like to share a little bit more about our new project, which is gonna be in this 75 years old, very cool log cabin. So I'm gonna walk you through and explain how this was made. I believe it was made with cedar logs. And as we have 75 years old, there's a lot of things inside and outside. I'm going to start with the outside to show you that we are going to be doing on this cabin. Follow us. The cabin has 75 years old, and we have so many projects to restore as original when they built up 75 years ago. And I'm gonna take a look close about every detail that I have to go through during the restoration. So I'm showing you from the outside, because later on I'm gonna record a video showing the inside. I had no access in to work on the AC because they use my access, which is here, to run the dock supply. And then so I had to come and build a access right here where I can crawl under the floor. I have the old unit's AC here. I'm gonna have to remove, take it out. The windows still original from 75 years ago. I have areas that I have to come up, touch, repair in my renovation. It's a long project. We also have plans to have the power line under the ground. We're gonna bury the power line and the power cables under the ground. We're not comfortable to have high like that because a tree can come over and lower the line. As we have kids, we do not recommend high like that. This is the backyard of the cabin. Down there we have a lake. All the way down we have a lake. I'm gonna make you a video from the lake as well. But my project is to do a renovation on this old cabin. Over here is a additional room that the previous owner built it, and we might gonna have to do something up there as well. As you see the garden back here, we have a lot of flowers, we have butterflies. Beautiful property. All type of flowers, of vegetation in the back. But again, a lot of job, a lot of projects to us. This is an old water fountain, and this is a concrete area that we think long time ago was a shed. We gotta do a restoration on this garden as well. And over here you have another view from the vertical log cabin. There's another unit of AC up there where I'm gonna have to eventually take it off and cover the hole. Keeping the original format. This is a ditch. When you have rain, the water comes from there where the horses are and run over here on this concrete ditch that they built up about 75 years ago, leading the water to the lake all the way down. And I'm gonna walk again over the cabin. There's another old AC unit there I'm gonna have to remove, along with the windows. And this is the front of the cabin. A little mess up front. We're gonna fix it. And as you see, I have damage underneath. I'm gonna have to repair the windows, the AC, again another AC to remove. This is the front yard of the property. We also have a horse arena where we need to tear down the grass and fix. We had a temporary pool over here, and this is the arena that I am fixing. I'm fixing the fence. Everything's crooked. I gotta take this grass off. Over there, it's where the horses are. I am also fixing up there, but this is the good view of the cabin with a mother suite additional that they did, which is okay. And back there I am going to fix the whole from the outside and inside. 75 years old log cabin in a vertical shape. Back here it's part of the property. I already fixed the fences over here. The bushes is kind of high. Over here it's a garden, but I am also fixing that. And if you look the pictures before on this video, you're gonna see the shape of the fences. Everything was crooked, and I came in and I start fixing this property, the fields for the horses, keeping the fence straight, putting a new post and keeping the fence way straight where we can keep the horses safe. So anyway, this is our project for this property, this vertical log cabin that we are going to do a full renovation, and I want you to follow up with every single steps. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and follow the next videos on the 75 years old vertical log cabin.